Welcome back. Today we are looking at the La Marzocco 6mm Flat Group Head Gasket for GS2 GS3 Review Precision Tools for Success. La Marzocco 6mm Flat Group Head Gasket Review Contractor Field Test. When you spend your life up to your elbows inches brass fittings, scale buildup, steam boiler pressures, and high-end commercial espresso hardware, you learn very quickly that the smallest components often dictate whether a multi-thousand-dollar machine runs like clockwork or turns into a total nightmare. Check the video description for the updated price link. As a commercial equipment contractor and service tech, I've wrenched on dozens of machines every single week. Whether I'm doing emergency repairs inches a busy downtown CAF, retrofitting a high-end restaurant bar, or servicing precision units like the La Marzocco GS3 inches custom residential kitchens, the group head gasket is the literal gatekeeper of extraction pressure. For years, folks have asked me what separates a mediocre seal from a bulletproof seal that holds up under extreme thermal cycling and brutal daily workloads. Today, I am putting the OEM La Marzocco 6mm flat group head gasket under the microscope. If you own a La Marzocco GS2 GS3, Linea, FB70, GB5, or FB80, this little rubber ring is the literal boundary between dry, clean extractions and messy, leaking group heads. Let's dive deep into why this specific component is a non-negotiable staple inches my contractor toolkit, and why cutting corners with cheap aftermarket alternatives will always cost you more inches the long run. Inches. The world of specialty coffee extraction variables are scrutinized down to the fraction of a gram and the tenth of a degree. Yet, many baristas and machine owners completely overlook the physical interface where the portafilter locks into the group head. The group head gasket is subjected to punishing conditions: continuous boiling water temperatures, immense clamping force from portafilter wings, constant chemical backflushing with detergents, and rapid heating and cooling cycles. When a gasket starts to dry out, harden, or crack, you lose that tight seal. Portafilters start locking past the 6 o'clock position over rotation, water channels down the sides of the basket, and pressure drops mid-shot. As a contractor, I get panic calls from shop owners at 7 o'clock a.m. on a Saturday because their espresso is spraying everywhere. 9 times out of 10, it's a degraded gasket. Switching out to a high-grade OEM gasket like the La Marzocco 6mm flat profile solves these headaches instantly. For those managing complex CAF setups or home automation workflows alongside their coffee bars, checking out a related product guide can help streamline your entire utility and maintenance ecosystem. Let's talk specs. The La Marzocco 6mm flat group head gasket is engineered to exact factory tolerances. Here is what you get when you pull one of these out of the packaging: exact dimensions designed specifically with a 6mm thickness, matching the precise engineering requirements of La Marzocco's saturated group architecture. Material composition: high-grade, food-safe elastomeric compound designed to withstand extreme thermal expansion without melting, sticking, or degrading prematurely. Flat profile design: unlike tapered gaskets that can be notoriously stubborn to pry out during maintenance, the flat profile ensures an even, uniform surface contact against the portafilter basket rim. Universal compatibility across flagship models perfectly fits a massive range of legendary machines including the GS2, GS3, Linea, FB70, GB5, and FB80. Chemical resistance: formulated to resist degradation from harsh backflush detergents like Cafiza or Purocaf, ensuring longevity even with rigorous daily cleaning routines. On the job, speed, reliability, and precision are everything. When I'm doing preventative maintenance on a multi-group Linea Classic or rebuilding a residential La Marzocco GS3, I need parts that drop right inches without requiring modification or causing fitment issues. Check the link inches the description to get yours today.